In Boston's historic leather district, where old-world character meets modern ambition, a kitchen is reimagined. Silky matte black surfaces set the stage for a life defined by style and performance. Here, precision cooking is effortless, with pit burners and induction technology working in harmony. Everyday tasks feel elevated. Above, a floating shelf hides powerful ventilation while casting a refined glow with subtle LED lighting. With a knocked-open dishwasher seamlessly integrated into tall cabinetry. The raw concrete countertops ground the space, bold, modern, and timeless. This is more than a kitchen. It's a canvas for creativity, a reflection of urban sophistication, and a statement of how you choose to live.